我哋今屆立法會咧已經完善咗我哋嘅選舉制度啦。咁而家係愛國者治港。咁其實對於我哋香港作為營商嘅人士嚟講咧，一個安全穩健嘅一個社會咧係非常之重要嘅，可以選出一啲代表到有香港、代表到我哋市民係有能力可以嘅一個立法會嘅議員。咁所以我諗喺呢一方面，我哋亦都好積極咁樣呼籲我哋身邊嘅朋友再加埋自己要以身作則，去踴躍出嚟投票啦。咁其實我代表嘅唔同嘅機構咧，都喺支持12月7號投票咧，都有唔同嘅政策，希望鼓勵我哋嘅同事啦、我哋身邊嘅會員啦，同埋我哋嘅商戶咧，我哋嘅顧客咧，都可以踴躍出嚟投票。我自己公司啦，咁我哋都會有一定嘅之後嘅有薪假期去補翻俾我哋嘅同事啦。咁亦都為咗方便啲同事出去投票，我亦都有安排唔同嘅便利嘅交通安排。咁至於我哋球會啊，或者我哋所屬嘅青年團體咧，都有相應嘅安排，包括係補翻假啦，同埋亦都係有交通嘅安排，係幫助到啲同事，希望佢哋可以到時當日可以方便佢哋喺唔同嘅票站嗰度去投票嘅。我哋可能呢一排喺個商鋪度都會宣傳有啲投票日嘅一啲優惠，希望到時除咗一啲顧客可以享受到我哋嘅服務同埋產品之外咧，亦都可以踴躍咁出去投票啦。咁我當然希望新一屆嘅立法會議員可以繼續支持我哋特區政府嘅施政，亦都可以繼續喺無論係作為經濟或者民生方面，都可以緊密咁樣聽多啲我哋市民嘅意見，可以更加推動到香港融入我哋國家嘅發展大局，希望可以將我哋香港嘅定位喺世界上面可以推得更高啦，更加容易咁樣去繼續喺無論係喺香港本地或者喺國內或者喺外走出香港去到國際嗰度舞台上面，可以繼續發展我哋嘅相關嘅產業啦。
So yeah, I was born in Hong Kong in the late 70s. My parents were living out here for a few years beforehand, and later on I went to school in England. Now for about just over 20 years. I love Hong Kong. You know, it's really become my proper home. My family, my wife is from Hong Kong. My children were born in Hong Kong. Yeah, I'll be looking at the candidates and seeing who can best support my fellow Chingy residents. 12月7號，記得出嚟投票. So please come out on the 7th of December to vote in the LegCo elections.